Hello everyone, I welcome you all on the YouTube channel of Analyst IAS. Our today's topic for focus of the day discussion is the Jans protesting all over India. We'll see why in news, what are Parasnath Hills, what are Shatrunjaya Hills and what are their significances as well. And we will see their geographical locations and the nearby flowing rivers as it can be important for prelims. Then I have given only some facts about Jainism. Then we will come to our prelims practice question, the mains practice question as well. But before starting, I have an announcement to make that our coaching Analyst IAS is launching a super fast prelims batch on 15th of January 2023 itself. This batch will cover your entire syllabus within 3.5 months. Moreover, there will be regular test series so that you can monitor your own progress as well. And we have decided that the first 50 aspirants will also avail 25% discount in the fees. So if you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to contact at our given numbers or you can come directly at our office which is located at Old Rajendra Nagar of New Delhi. Now we'll start with today's topic that via news, members of Jain community have been staging protests across the country for past 2 weeks over demands related to two holy sites, Samed Shikhar or Parasnath Hill in Jharkhand and Shatrunjaya Hill in Palitana of Gujarat. In Jharkhand, the issue is about Parasnath Hill being declared a tourist spot and an eco-sensitive zone. Neither the center nor the state consulted the main stakeholder. In Gujarat, the row is over vandalizing of a shrine and related security concerns. The Jains are demanding that Shatrunjaya Hill and the area around it be protected so as to maintain its holiness. They also want further probe into the vandalism case. Then we will see what are Parasnath Hills. So Parasnath Hills are a range of hills located in Giridh district of Jharkhand. The highest peak is 1350 meters. It is one of the most important pilgrimage center for Jains. They call it Sameet Shikhar. The hill is named after Parshavnath or Parasnath. He was the 23rd Tirthankara and he was also a prince of Banaras. 20 of the Jain Tirthankars attained salvation on this hill. For each of them there is a shrine or gumti on the hill. The Santhals call it Marang Buru, the hill of the deity. They celebrate a hunting festival on the full moon day in Baisakh, which is in mid of April. Every year, thousands of Jains from across the world undertake the 27-kilometer long trek of climbing the hills to reach the summit. Then we will see about Shatrunjaya Hills. Shatrunjaya Hill is a sacred site containing hundreds of shrines in Palitana town, Bhavnagar district of Gujarat. The shrines were sanctified when Rishabh, the first Tirthankar of Jainism, gave his first sermon in the temple on the hilltop, and Indradev also performed Tandav when Rishabdev was born. It is one of the Jainism's holiest pilgrimage sites. The Shatrunjaya Hills is an incredible hill studded with temples built over 900 years. It is said that Adinath, also known as Rishabdev, the founder of Jainism, meditated beneath the Rayan tree at the summit. Then here are geographical location. Here are Parasnath Hills and I have given you location of the Barak river and here is the Damodar river. Barak is the tributary of Damodar and here in between you can see the Parasnath Hills. It comes in the Jharkhand region. Now we will see Shatrunjaya Hill. So this is the Shatrunjaya Hill and the river near it is the Shatrunji river. It is a east flowing river and it will flow into the Gulf of Khambat. Now there are some information about Jainism. There are 5 Mahavrat or 5 great vows. It is Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha and Brahmacharya. Brahmacharya was added by the 24th Tirthankar who was Vardhaman Mahavir. Ahimsa means non-violence, Satya truthfulness, Asteya is non-stealing, Aparigraha means non-possession of property and all, and Brahmacharya means chastity. Now, there are three gems or three ratnas: Samyak Darshan, Samyak Gyan, and Samyak Charitra, which is right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct. Then there are two sects of Jainism, Shwetambar and Digambars. Digambars, they are naked, and Shwetambars wear white clothes. Now we will come to our prelims practice question, that with reference to the religious practices in India, the Isthanakvasi sect belongs to Buddhism, Jainism, Vaishnavism or Shaivism. You can type the correct option in the comment section given below. Now we will come to our mains practice question that discuss the reasons for rise of Jainism and Buddhism in India and their impacts on the Indian society. That was all about today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay tuned for the next topic.